Right, I wrote what the plan is. Let's see how far we come. So, we are doing linetents now, which is a portmanteau of line and content. Linetent. So, first, we go into the sequence where we do not have P anymore. Because the P comes from toqing.sequences. I have a, now after my nap, I did not dream about toqation. Did I say toqation or toqination? Toqation? This could already work, right? Yes. Hey. Hey. Wait a second. Why is this spamming? Is this spamming? No, it's not. I mean, it's hung up. Okay, that's bad. P is not defined. Where's P? Proc. Proc. Oh, no, we have a toqing. Proc. We don't use this thing yet. This comes soon. Oh, Indo sequence. Yeah, let's just call it sequence, I guess. And no toqing. We give it here, and we call this also sequence. So, but this should only give me one, right? Yeah, okay, this works again. Very nice. So, now we have a proc. And it's okay. Let's update the DEXI. Bam, and give our lines the linetent. Making up words is easy. Just mash them together. The linetent, or do we just say linetent? The linetent. Yeah, because the T at the end is to high linetent. The linetent. Yeah, that sounds nice. A little bit of linetent. The linetent. So, okay, we got the linetent now. We don't got it yet. Oh, we also need to update the database after we make a change for some reason. I mean, it's fine. I'm sure there is a good reason. And now in the line. Okay, the question is, and I think we do want this. Use lines. We already have the query, right? Is it query or query? I always say query, but is it query? Or is it something not German sounding? Okay, this is important. Line 10. And the line 10 is a list, but not of elements, of course, but of objects. So, when we do, yes, the line 10 is where we do what? Where we do what? Yes, the talks, and with talks I mean dupes and the sinks go in the line 10. Okay, let's remove this. This isn't important. So we need to populate the line 10. And why not do that in used lines? Function Nah, not make, I mean good. At least it's a suggestion. Function, what do we call that if we add something to the line 10? We can grow the line 10. Window dot from, oh, stop. Again, let's see. Okay. Oh, see, now we do already have to, which is a shame, but that's fine. I know now we get this. Why does this always happen? I don't like it. Wasn't he? Line, function, line, sequence. Oh. Simple line dot line. Does this work? See, something's weird here. Input. Is it because of this? Ah. Use line. Okay, is it just this one? Yeah, I guess I only called it once to make sense. Okay. So the use line now has line.line and line.grow. And when it grows, we still take this. Yeah, it is use ref only this. I guess we probably don't need this in the standard use ref. So I mean, but we do use the I guess we can make an add thing. We do not just put one of the use text here. What? We write, we add, or we don't need. And let's also say that the line, oh no, it does not populate. We need a map in about the lines from use line. We need to map them because this is also wrong then. No, it's not wrong. Yeah, it is kind of wrong. We need to make this. We didn't turn the line into an object. Yeah, we kind of did. I think there will be like very slight lag when, but not much. And it is kind of fun, I guess. So you will see when we hit space, I think for like half a second maybe we can replace it will disappear, I think, for like half a second and then reappear as a word or like as a talk. The sequence gets turned into, it will be just a sequence, and then when we hit space, it will add a space. No, it won't add it will add a space character. And then it will populate the line 10. Or when we have like a quote open, or any brackets, or wish list, or null tens, we will then the thing will get added to that dupe. The thing will get added to the dupe for our line 10. Makes sense, right? For the simple guys. So, in my head, it's slowly going from sequence to sequence. And I should, okay, so I mean, this is use line. So I guess this is coming from use toking. Yeah, that is the thing which I'm currently, because the toqject okay, we hit space, which can oh, do I even have spacing here? We need to find the, what do I call it? The tree, the dependency tree, I guess. The propagation to get what we do with space. So the plan is to hit space now, and then it turns whatever that is, that's a word, because it's longer than one character, even though A and I is also a word, so, but it's a maybe not without a dot, maybe it needs to be a dot to be a modifier. If it's 1 and 2 and more, it's a cell. Yeah. Maybe I should write a little glossary for when this, oh, where's my, I am streaming, right? I'm here, okay. Chat, what's, oh, chat rate 0. When you stumble on this, please write, please. You can write hello in here. Case did not know that. No input needed. What an insider. For myself, at myself. Yeah. Now I'm okay. So use line is okay. Then we have the line 10, and I guess we. And then where is it coming from? I mean, we can already say this is a talk. current.line10.push, I think. Let's see if this holds up. We push this anyway, no matter what the talk is. The talk of the town. And then we also, oh no, we do not want to push this. We want to write this. We want to add this. And this we will do. We go dexy.write indo. But we want indo. Oh no, yeah. No, we already have the indo. We do this earlier. So so indo.target first of all, lines, yes, this is, yeah, not put, we want to do add. But now we want, let's do this quick, add property to object. It is add. Oh, it is update. This is what it means. Target, this adds to a list, but he still needs to do this. Oh wait, or does it? Text to add. Okay, it's an array. I mean, we also have an array. Oh, you know what? It's also, yeah, no, it's fine. The target array will be, okay, so it is add. And it is update. So I guess we write an add function. Which is fine. Return add. Just call it add. And this is some horrible camel casing. Pretty good. Indo.move. No, we do not need the move. Wait. Where did I did indo.move? Here, because, yeah, but this was the older one. db dot, yeah. Do you have something? No, you don't. Indo target dot null. Update thing.id. And how does this work here? Oh no, that's just. Wait, what? Let's go with this friends.id. Do I need all the properties before? Wait, what? Can't I just add a particular? I mean, I guess we do. Indo.v. That's also weird that. Okay, Dexy update object. Key and changes. The primary key. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we have this always, I think. We will see. And here we give it the endo target.1, I guess. Yeah, that was good. And here we give it no. Right, we do not have. This is. Don't I do Tracy? Maybe I don't, but I should. Oh, it's because because it's after the return. No, trace. So we do an add. We already did an add. Oh, we have this add. Oh, now we have two adds. Where oh, we do this for styles. Object styles. Indo target dot indo. Huh? We need to just imply styles because where do we even use this? Maybe it was unused, I hope. Unless we will find out. Let's find out that now. Oh, okay, we have. Oh! Oh, we use this twice, so we need to rename this. I guess we can call it update. What's the big deal? Because we do an update. So now when we grow, we give it the indo. And then I think I have this on paste. So we do indo target lines and current we do not have an ID. So I would think that we also use the query to populate the to always yeah, that is correct. No, that's wrong. I have too many stuff open. Use line. Oh yeah, because it's wrong. Use lines 33, so this is coming from the database, but it does not have an, oh, it does have an ID. IR link is unsigned, that's not good, but So this is coming from the query. And then I guess we populate the one with the latest, or with the selected. A little quick for me, for it coming selected. Ah, see, it does not. Also, it doesn't have a DNS. And does it have a system? Yeah, it does have a system. So we can say that and also doesn't have line 10. So we're going to clear this and update that it has model. Okay, it has an ID, it has a label, it has a count, which we don't, I mean, the ID is a count, but maybe we can repurpose it. It has a kind, it has a system, yep, an SOP, a change, oh yeah, it does have a change. With for now empty moods and spots, but this is okay. An ID, change DMP, yes, DNS, next, IR link, which doesn't work. An other, we don't really need an other, right? What is other? But I have the feeling a key, and we need the key that's a DMP, a domain, a DNS, a model. It looks less than we have here, but that's a trail. We also have a trail and a linetents soon and an active. Okay, and I think if we do db.lines clear, it will update. Yeah, I know. No, dude, now you keep spamming. Here it does do the update. Now we have the active, and we have also an undefined DNS for some reason, even though but we have an ID of 0. Interesting. It starts at 0. Well, so we go with the count. The key is also different. Oh, because it takes this and the line. And the ID, I guess. Weird. Well, the time makes sense. The frame is 0 because it hasn't loaded yet, but I'm pretty sure that it's still under the hood updates, which is pretty cool. Whoop. We did a reset. We reset our frame reset. So we went back in time. No, we went back in frame. Time is time. No time travel, but frame travel. Yeah, travel we can use. or treble, and change treble. Conjunct treble. What goes around, goes around, goes around, comes all the way back. Okay, and we have a line 10 now, and the ID is 0. And I guess the next ID will be 1. Okay, now, because we got the line, we check that, oh, we have to clear again, because the first one is the active one. No, sorry dudes, db.lines.clear. Active flash true equals true, and current current equals lines, just fine, right? Jeez. Wow. No? This should be enough, right? Each child should have a unique, which one does not? Okay, because it did come, I'm pretty sure this came before, no, I don't know, not that important. Oh, but now that we're already in line, we can go to line 11. Wait, what? Oh no, here. We can remove this because this is not needed anymore. This is also bad wording. Or is it? No, I guess not. The sequence. A line holds a sequence. You can almost, I mean, it's a good fit. Let's say it's a sequence. A line is a sequence. Oh, we still have 0 people. Come on, guys. Okay, so we are not much further, but a little bit. So now we have the words, the names, the terms. So we always want the active line. No, okay, let's do this now. Yeah, you know what? Let's use this as default, no, not cons def and line. No, let's call it def line. The def line. because we do. Don't we have an ignite? Yes. Right, or do we? Huh? Oh, we are outside. Yeah, this is where we store the lines. Current dot active, and then current dot other. Oh, we also need yes. We need even higher now. Oh yeah, this is correct. That's pretty good. Okay, let's go in synput now. Now we'll sing. Do we need this? No, let's go directly. This is ref. Ah, okay. No, we get this from the quines. We do not need a set. No. Simple line. Yes. We do. Quines. No, we need the used line ones. Or do we? Yes, we do. Okay, we only do this. So we have the synput, the use synput, I'm pretty sure. Wait, this is an object, by the way. We can't do map then, can we? No. Oh no, we just do not need it. I think we just do this. I don't know. Let's remove the key. Oh no, it is not question mark, it's the %. Why is it the Indo, by the way? It shouldn't be the Indo. This should be the Indo. The V. Right, do we need... No, we leave this to be, we let this be the Indo. I wonder why we need to, where's the Indo coming from, by the way? Do we even have for Nova, right? Yeah, that's the helper func. What was this before? Oh, it was, it was not needed. Okay, let's remove this. Then, it wasn't even deconstructed. V talking and styles is what we need. V talking and styles and trace. I guess we don't need the trace. Okay, let's do this. And that's a V. With the talking we need. Oh, but when we also have, oh, that is pretty nice. Because then we can, oh wait, we can pass it down. This helps with the use sequence. Because no, use talking, no, it does not help with it. Where do we call talking here? No. Oh wait, we don't need it. Okay, and then we also map for the synput the different lines. And I guess we need another property for the lines, and this is where it's located, the line, because this is the symbol, but we can even say that everything, even when we type the first word of the system, for instance, it is, and even the label, every label stands on the line, which is kind of true. Yeah, I think so. Thankful. Now I'm overdoing it with my TH. If I'm trying. I'm not sure overdoing it. I try to consciously put my tongue out. But I haven't listened back to me talking English for quite a while, so I'm not sure if it's gotten any better. I just cannot get rid of the accent. Okay. So, do we decide this, that everything we write in a line, and then we... Oh no, we do not even have to. If it's a word, maybe it's not a full line, it's just a thing. It takes a thing. That's kind of like our TypeScript check. We just check for the kind. No. Now we finally have like a third hierarchy chain link spot, third hierarchy coordinate, and it's kind. We partition them by kind and of types. So the kind of the talk is if it's a dupe or a thing, and the type is like if it's a cell or a word. And the cell we can even partition further, because we have the different names for the, let's see if I can remember, it's Toad, Diddy, Peach, Mario, Luigi. These are the first five. And then we have Wario, then Donkey Kong, then Kirby, and then Yoshi, and then Falcon. And then we have our 10 Smash. So we can already say that we have kind, oh no, these are the cells, yeah, kind, type, smash. So if we do a friends.tv show, then the toad would be friends and the Diddy would be TV show. and it's a Diddy cell. The Friends TV show Diddy cell. And if we make a piece out of it, then we cannot do the anymore because there are more, and we always take the first and the last talk, or I guess sing, in a cell. And then we have like Friends TV show swimmer. Oh well, no, we want Friends swimmer TV show. Then it's still the it's a Friends TV show cell with the TV show as a peach and the Diddy, yeah. No, that's kind of, I mean, it sounds a little weird, but I think you just need to get used to it. It seems useful. So this is my way of dealing with plural and singular, because I was always annoyed that that there's just one singular and then plural is two up until countless. There's no fine tuning, not even like a different word ending for if it's two, which would make the most sense, because there's the biggest difference, I think, between one and two and more. Yes. So now, this is how I handle it with kind, type, and smash. Different forms of plural, which get turned back into a singular. That's how it works, I guess. Kind, type, smash. And we can also say that kind and type are always generic names, and the name of the third plural is non-generic, specific to whatever we're dealing with, which is a pretty cool grammar rule for my co-dictionary. Yeah, let's do this. Update all to have kind, because we might later need it, and so far it feels like it is completely fine that we have different object properties, like a lot. So, type, but what else? Ah, yeah, and the line will also have a type, but no special third one. But we need a word for like the third partition of plural, like smash. Still no one what. We can say that these, how do you want to call them? Let's call them the triads. That's already taken, that word. Something with T maybe, because third. Maybe we'll think about that later and we do some extra coding. So, we want to update this. So the line will have the kind of, yeah, that is the thing. Maybe we only need kind for now for lines. Yeah, if it's in the synput or if it's, oh, where do I have my use lines? Kind. Oh no, it is a kind line. And the type, we go with synput. Yeah, the kind is just the name of the object. And if we do person's object, then the kind would be person. But we don't even use person. We say we either have users or minds or hive minds. Or later other stuff. I guess the next one would be a chief or a chef. But let's not think about this. So we just for 1 second db length clear, so it updates. Yeah, all this. Why doesn't it normally? It says active undefined, but active is true. DNS is also undefined. Why does it say that active is undefined? It did say active. What? It does it, and it has no type. Why? It used to, this is weird. This is very weird. Wait, we do the line. Ah, it's because I didn't do this. No, but this is fine. Because here, no, wait, current.current.active is a thing. Not sure if this is. Why is active undefined? Also, look, it's getting less and less, by the way. Didn't I? Huh? The line doesn't clear. DB lines.clear. Or maybe it's because I didn't upgrade it after I... Ah, now, okay. That was a problem, I'm pretty sure. And now it should say active is still undefined, and that is annoying. And we also only use very few Indo V. Console, oh, that was a typo. Wow, we only have now active and ID. Oh no, that's fine. Active true, DNS still undefined, okay, who cares? Line 10. Okay. I don't know why this gives us... I know why. Yeah. Oh! Indo V is current active, by the way. This is the thing we want. Lines and puts. No, wait, what? But do we want both? We want both. We do want both. Yeah, we do want both. Oh, but does this mean that every line has an other? It does, which is bad. We do not want this. So, yeah, we really just want dot active. Okay, whatever. We will deal with this later. So Now we have them. Let's see if this works, by the way. Cannot read property of undefined active, which is weird because we should have simport I think, oh no, because it is line. Wait, where do we need this somewhere else? Why do we have this here? Simport.current. .current. Wait, what? What am I doing? This we do not need. The other one I'm not sure. Now we do line. I guess we can rename this because we do rename this use lines, and we rename this as well. Okay, and now we call this lines, I guess. No, oh no, it is. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Simport 8038. Simport.lines.line. Simport 646? No. Simport 46. Simport.lines.active. Oh, okay. But it doesn't, that's not working. Why not? This stays undefined because lines.lines.active. Or we just do this, yeah.
Now this one. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, good. Oh, now it does have the ID 1, but I hope it stays at 1, but yes. Okay, for some weird, okay. So we do, I hope this doesn't change. Oh, 2 people for a quick second.
Lights on or lights out? Lights out. This is the way we dum. I wish I had more than one song in my head. I just listened to it like 3 days ago for the first time in years. Stuck in my head, Justin Timberlake. And I'd never seen the thing. I never seen the video. And it's Scarlett Johansson. And I guess the moral of the story of the video, of the 10-minute long video, is if you cheat on Justin Timberlake, you die. All right, let's do the space. So no, we need, because, yeah, no, the first one is a synput. Okay, then we have the sequence. Didn't we already do analyze? Yeah, where is this? We did it here. Sequence for each. No, this was maybe not the worst attempt. Use talking. If no. It is a proc. Okay. No, proc.kind, I think. Yes, this is correct. No? I thought this would work. It is fine, right? Undefined. Is it not find? Am I wrong? Find. Oh, it also returns the first element. It does not. Contains. Contains is not a function. Includes. No. Why is it false? Do I need to do a for each? Indo v lists for each item
this makes us a value. Not a C. If item into the prop into the found prop, we found the prop and we list. No, not this, dude. Space. Analyze. Indo C space. Ah, yeah. But with the space we do have here the kind of spaces. So we already know that space is a kind of space and it is a type. Yeah, it's a type. So we kind space type current. Type, yeah, we now do have proc kind space and the type is 4 per m space, which already is very specific. Like this cannot get a third subpetition other than, I mean, I guess it's a kind of proc. Yeah. And then it would be the type space. And then we need a cool new word for the third one. the fiber. Maybe that is fiber is more. We still only have 2 people, at least 2. And no, still, let's see after how many days we get the first comments. Maybe, probably after the first time that firstwhile goes online. And people start typing, and maybe I put a link in there to my stream when I'm streaming for my sister. Okay, so if we have space in there, first of all, now we can trigger this. Did I use anal, by the way, yet? I think I don't need this anymore. The anal. If inno.v.found.flag, yes, okay. Okay, now function sing. Function check. If indo.target equals, oh, by the way, we can do another trace as a thing. No, we do the traces at the end. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is correct. So No? No, I was more thinking of no. Wow. You hear this in the background? I'm not at a good place. Outside. Right here, I'm in a perfect spot. On a perfect corner. Repeat button. This is repeat. Repeat single button. Yeah, let's choose this. Okay. No, not space. Wait, no. That was wrong. No, not sequence. So, what do we want? First, let's give this list. Wait, did something come to it? No. Birds. Okay, how do we... Oh, it's not even check, it's... What's the word? What's the normal word for in English or German? Identify. I guess it's identify. Yeah. But there's also in biology. How do you call it? Say when ein Forscher ein Insekt findet. It's not scientist. It's Wissenschaftler. What's Forscher? I'm already in Google right here, you know. Forscher, English. Research, is it researcher? Explorer. I'm thinking more of explorer, I guess. Disconnected. Am I reconnected? I think I am, yeah. It's not discover, we analyze. Yeah, let's go with analyze. Oh, we already have analyzed. We stay with check, whatever. Oh, it's reconnected successfully, I know that. That was like 5 seconds ago. Okay, so we check the Indo, and the target is TalkJack, and if the sequence, first of all, we should not call it list, we should call it the sequence, and then
we go here into the sequence for each, and I think the sides wrote through for a second, maybe not. Do you guys hear this? They talk so much here of einfach dem anderen auf die Fresse hauen, aber es macht nie jemand. It's never, you often, it's about like getting punched. When you watch on the window and you sometimes see them in a booth, in a yard, I guess, there's never any punching, but a lot of talk about punching. Oh, I got a different song stuck in my head now. What was playing outside? 1, 2 Polizei, 3, 4 Grenadier, 5, 6 alte Hacks, 7, 8 gute Nacht. Which is early 90s, I think. Or late 80s maybe even? Because it feels like it was before I was that sentient to really get what music was playing. It was like the charts at the moment. And I'm out of it again. I have no idea. I was watching like a couple of days ago some YouTube, must have been a YouTube short, about people guessing. Yeah, the thing was like, do you believe these songs were not #1? And the host always was, oh, this song was huge. And I'm okay, let's go. And I didn't know any fucking song. It was like Playboy Cardi. I know the name. And other people. I just don't know them. I don't. Which is not that cool, I guess. But I just have my, I don't know, my 300 songs, all genres, really. Not all. No techno, but songs with lyrics in them. That's, yeah, songs with lyrics. From like gangster rap to Elton John. And these are the songs I listen to. But that also went down. I don't listen to that much music anymore. For a while now, for a couple of years. Just once in a while. Okay, that was not that interesting. Who gives a shit? Okay, now, is a word only? No, not only when it can't have a special in there. That is the thing. Maybe that is what I'm missing. So, it cannot have a period. And I guess we use the check again, right? Oh, that kind of works because we do have
which does not get displayed. Interesting. Why not? It should get displayed. So we're maybe missing the dot in our toqation. Dot. Ah, yeah, we do. So this is quick. We do Indo. We just steal it from, I guess, space. Doesn't matter. It's all the same, which is why I think I should have just left it at proc, because I cannot see this getting populated. And internally, it really doesn't even matter because it's all diffs anyway. It's not like it renders as dot, which at least would be fun to see in the elements and easy. Then it would actually make sense, because then you can, which is a shame that it doesn't, but it's probably too complicated. Here, if it would show the dot, if this wouldn't be the diff, we could say like the outer wrapper is always the name of the function component. Which, yeah, it's not. But this way, this would be cool if it's not diff, but if that's, what is this? I forgot. We do this after the toqation? Still haven't decided. Wait, I have decided. What is it called? Use token. Oh, just token. Ah. Yeah, the token. After the token, we do it a little bit so that it looks better. What do I want to babble about? Oh yeah, that would actually make sense then. If we had not just diffs, but it would say that it's like letter, or not letter. Oh yes, it is letter. And inside a word, inside a quote, inside parentheses. That would be cool if it looked like this, but it does not. Okay, so now we have a dot, and I think this is all we need for the dots to appear, yes. So, we can also, because if it has a number in it, this is another, this is for the words. Wait, I do not have, because not everything is a word. Oh, I thought that word is cell, but that is not true. We also have word. Do I use word? Yes. Quite literally. What kind of fascinates me? I'm easily fascinated by words is the German Worte or Wörter. In both, I don't think there is a difference. Maybe if we Google now. Difference in German between Worte and Wörter. Oh, there is a difference. Worte jemand zusammen. Oh, that's even a good difference. Wörter, Wörterbuch, not Wortebuch. Worte, zusammenhängende Wortgruppen, die einen Sinn oder einen Gedanken ausdrücken. So connected groups, word groups that vermitteln, that makes sense. Like a sentence, Subjekt, Prädikat, Objekt. Yeah, not just an array of randomly assembled words, but words that convey meaning. In Sprichwörtern, which is funny because then it would be Sprichworte and not Sprichwörter. Sprichwörter sayings in English.
Yeah. So we do need words. Words often don't come easy. Oh, space. Space cells. Oh, we have space and specials, which I think is a mistake. So we also do not have things for quotes at it to say, oh, fabrics. Don't we have fabrics in here? Suits, also no suits. So the cells are not single ones. Cells are the words. An ionic is a thing. Oh, that's wrong. Sequence. A mood. Yeah, mood is pretty special. That's also a thing. I mean, yeah. No, it doesn't have to be. I have to repeat them. Quotes. Do I also not have quotes? Yeah, wait. I'm not that quick, dude. A quote is a dupe. Come on. Quotes, tenses, lists I do have, right? No, I also don't have lists.
Oh, I also forgot type. For some reason, exactly up. List tenses and wish lists, right? Wish lists up. Duke life sequence has space in them. And dupes consist of things. And what else do we have? We have the list, the wish list, the tenses, and the quotes. And is that all? I think I forget. Yeah, whatever. So, Zelts, IR-Links, the procs, let's call them spaces. Numbers and nums and letters and dots, yes. And fabric. Did I delete fabric? No, it's right there. Feels right to put it after. It really doesn't matter. Maybe it does. Probably not. Pennies. Yeah, but pennies? Because the penny sign in itself is like a proc. And then we also have the penny amount. If it's a penny sign and then the amount of pennies. Or maybe we call it the penny charge. Or the penny num? Yeah, because it is a num. Moods, yeah, that's fine. Okay, the things, we have more things. URLs, for instance, which is also wrong that we do not have this here. Oh, I also forgot to give it a January. Let's give all of them a January. And we remove other. Other was really very vague. That was a bad line I copied there. Oh, birds. Oh, but birds are not necessarily, we just do it. But here something is missing. The count, oh no. Oh no, it's just because we added count. The birds. Dennis, Menace. Dennis, Penis. Okay, so we have Zels, IR links, URLs. What am I missing? Do we need for dots? Do we need for hyphens? Maybe. The procs. Yes, this is correct. Yeah, come on. Lazy Copilot saw that. No, why singular? Everything's plural, dude. Sequences, yeah. Maybe we don't even need to store it, but I really don't think it makes much of a difference. Also, this should be traces, but then I would have to change code. And oh, SOPs, of course. I always forget SOPs, semantic operator. But do I have? No, I do not, which is very important. It's extremely important. The SOPs and emoji ID. I also need emoji ID. I should not forget about emoji IDs. Emoji IDs, which will become very, very important. Which also is so important that I think that all the things in dApps need an emoji ID field. I really think this is appropriate. All right. And emoji IDs need a PV. Okay, we have more things. We have words, for example, and terms, which do not words. Oops. And terms. That's IR links, URLs. Yeah. Oh wait, oh no, SOP comes here. But there is something missing here, emoji ID type
change comes here, system. Why, oh, wait, why is this, what is missing? It doesn't have a count. The count is the ID, really. Let's, okay, word terms, numbers. Ah, yeah, that's a number. I guess an amount is just no, we need a new word for a sequence of numbers, of only numbers. I mean, it kind of is amount. Let's see if we can find a synonym. Quantity, that's too long. The total, sum, yeah, sum is not bad. It's short. A sum. Yeah. I kind of like it. It's the size. Oh, size might be even better. Yeah, we go with size. Oh yeah, I guess if we, a Cody, which is exactly what we're doing. We invent terms. No, why would you suggest me it's different, dude? Ticks. Oh, but a tick is not necessarily but is an emoji ID? Yeah, you know what? An emoji ID is definitely a thing because it doesn't have space in there and it's always 4. I'm hungry, but it's too late to get something, or maybe not. Is it past 9? No, it's not. Oh, I still have some toast. And, oh no, I ate all the mozzarella
just as a snack with our toasts the other day. SOP is a proc. Okay, I think that's enough for now. This will probably change anyway. So let's increase the version and hope that everything is fine, which I would think so. Yep. Okay. So we do have Cody and oh, we do need a string for the sequence, by the way. Okay. Oh no, we also need Indo from do we want this? I was more thinking of the needle. Oh no, that's a thread, we need that. The benjel, interesting. Now that's kind of cool. Oh, you know what? No, this makes a C sequence. I don't think that we. Yeah, I know. Oh no, Indo V string. Wait, what? Is it not starts with? Okay, first let's fix the shift. Is it a new stroke? Dot special. Yeah, make. Huch. That was a weird reflex. Okay. Shift. So let's, you know what? Use strokes. We will, I think. What we might want to do is do a little. I would love for this to be where somewhere where it's reachable for other, just a little flag that when we have shift, control or alt, yeah, this is in use beacons. Const QWERTY modifier. What is meta? Wait, this does not trigger? No, it does, wait. Control, Alt. It does trigger. Does it lag? Oh. It lagged right there. No, it's already lagging, that's a bad sign. Oh wow, it's super lagging. Let's hope that has some external sources. I hope this is my... Oh no, it's up because I pressed Alt. And this, I think. Okay, it's fine. And this is Control, not Alt, so we need... Indo-C... Yeah, that makes sense. No. If we're on down, it is true, dude. We do have set. So if goes around, goes around, goes around, comes out, back around. I have to pee again. Oh, no one knew. Okay, so QWERTY. Wait. Oh, Spark. Oh, pot. Yeah, I forgot. The little... key equals control. I think it is like this. Oh yeah, that's actually good. Wait. Use...
was ready to give you my name. Yeah, I guess we need no. Yeah. No. Oh. Yeah, that is correct. Okay. Oh, this is. Oh, it takes a while for no reason. This doesn't do anything, yeah? Oh, yeah. And then we do this for the strokes. For the special. Because I think that Indo C beacons set of undefined moves. Why? We spots 36. Oh wow, serious? Oh yeah. No, that was good. No, don't be deterred. Spark. Oh, I thought I would flame, but ignite is flame, so I guess fireworks. Sparkler. Yeah, let's go with fireworks.
What was the error? Move. Oh yeah, because we don't have input.v. Wait, what? I did save it, right? Cannot set properties of undefined mood. Indo.v. This shouldn't. Okay. Use beacons. 22 use beacons. Current Indo.target shift QWERTY modifier. Oh yeah, it's not a use ref. Okay, now Control Alt, okay. Stroke. Wait, what? Oh, because it does. Yeah, then we need to do this before the make. In the strokes. I think I'm pretty sure I'm right. Yeah. Now this still works, and we do not create this, and we even have a flag now. Still nobody knew. How long? Oh wow, almost 3 hours. I thought it was like 2 hours. Time flies when you're having fun. Alright, how much more fun would it be if we actually do more of the talking? So, we should have a Cody. we don't. Okay, you know what? Let's do the backs. Why don't we have a Cody? Wait, do we even check? Turn. Do we even turn? Oh, it's because... Oh, yes, this is the reason. Indo v string is object object. Okay, this is bad. Object object object. So we need, oh yeah, because there was what is item.proc or so. I'm not pretty sure. I'm somewhat. Oh, we have a Cody now. That was correct. We do have a Cody. So that was correct. You know what? We do not do Indo here. Oh, we do. Includes, right? No. I don't know. No. What? Yeah, let's do this. I mean, this is not a helper function, this is very specific, I think. You know what, maybe it is not that specific, and we stay here because when we get text from somewhere else, we can check what it is easier just by passing the indo. Hyphens. Now we can check for the hyphens, which I will just do like this. Wait, oh, that's a, you know what, let's just delete this because as you can see, yeah, we have enough hyphens. I don't even know what to do with all of them. I used to like them, but now I don't. Hey, I did copy. Copy. Oh, that's such a small hyphen. That is so cute. Yeah, it's 7. Eight, 9. I mean, it doesn't render. Not in here. Let's just include it. We are at 12. Oops. And 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the first once again. Includes some. I think it's some, right? Oh, do we have the normal dash in there? The normal hyphen? Because we want this to be the hyphen. Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't work. First, let's remove the console log out of the... Oh, it's because we don't do the what. We do not do the what. Oh, you know what? We push because it can be... no, we need... Wait, we do have all the use hyphens, right? Let's do the logic in here so we actually Oh, that is interesting because the hyphens oh no, I guess it is with words. Yeah, this is okay, just so we can, before we do this, we need to handle the backspace really quick. Use strokes. No, use pot. No, you. We already have a backspace, right? No, we don't. We have it on hold. Ah, yeah. You know what? Let's go philosophical. Codilosophical. Yeah, let's do, that is a good one. A mistake. For deleted props and for the deleted drugs and tox. I'll be right back. Then yes, it's famous. Oh, let's say small mistake and little mistake. No, we don't need this. For we can do it internally. No, wait. I do have all the use cases here. Use mistakes. Oh, what a nice name. Use mistakes. Oh. You know what? Mistakes. Exceed, change, and trace. Default. And also rename this because that was an error. That is funny to me. Mistake. You get it? It's a nice wordplay, and it's not a mistake anymore to write it like this. That's a mistake in the IRL. Okay, what we do now is close a lot of okay, maybe we should, because we use this quite a lot, synport. We put this in the synport. Oh no, in the use synport. Yes. Yes, so we have it here, so everybody gets fed. Oh, we had a third one. I'm sure in the analytics I can check for how many seconds someone tuned in. Toqation is wrong, by the way. It's token. I made a mistake. Spelling mistake. Oh, also, what we need is, what I think I didn't do, is use change.now for every key. Use strokes. Oh. No, this also needs the active one we need.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and that's also when use change and change it like this. Frame mood spot. Yeah, this can change later. Yeah, let's just change that now. Let's see where we call it. We can remove this. Change dot now. I saw that I skipped one. I see that I get an error. Which is weird because, oh no, maybe it's not weird because I'm not there yet. I wonder why I still get this mistake here. Input. Change dot now? Ah, it's because of this. Use deck C. Dot now. Oh yeah, maybe. That was not the line though. Or was it? Okay. This annoys me. Okay. Also one thing we need to do. Or do we? use token. We don't, the talkjack, maybe we should put that actually in synput and then make it indo.c. Sorry. First of all, this we can use for use lists. Useref is not defined, I just defined it. Yeah. Oh no, we have token in the simple, so I guess this makes, yeah, never mind. So, now wait. So, when we use backspace, we do that in use what, I guess, right? Yeah, that is correct. I was wondering if Copilot would get the context. Indo, or did I? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. Indo C mistakes dot backspace Indo. Oh. Yeah, that is good. Oh, not again. Prohibited, no entry. Oh, whatever. Let's first see if we do violation. How do I? No. Okay, first of all, we need. Interesting.
No, I think we just return because I just loaded. I didn't reload. I just, yeah, okay. Okay, so in token, which I hope is, no, it's not in, where is it? In new strokes? Token. Token, so it is in use input up top, yes. So I need, yeah, let's rename this. Yeah, this can, yeah, this stays. And this also gets renamed to token. And on up, we already have this. Unused beacon. Yeah, I think this is correct. And this we can just delete because we don't need it yet. Use token, and this is correct. Yeah. Okay.
So what we do is no. Ooh, why is it? Um, um,
Be right back. Well, I got a headache.
So now we no, not so I guess we do this. Yeah, removed equals removed current. Oh, if indo.move equals beacon. No, I guess it's a pot. No, if we hold it's a beacon, right? Else remove current equals this comes at the end. So we are in use mistakes. C token mistake. Okay. No, I think it's remove dot current dot prox dot push, right? Yeah, I think this is correct. Yeah, correct. Hey,
lags. Ah, now it works. All right. So, okay. Backspace and releases, and we do this with use strokes. No, use strokes. Yeah, all right. No. Oh, what? No, we just do this return window. Okay. Free
removed. Yeah. Yeah, that is good. This works. So now we do another you know what? Dexy, another want, Dexy want. No, not, we already have lists. Dude. Yeah, just do it like this. But we do attach this as metadata for the sequence. When we, wait, where did we call this mistakes? Where was this? Yeah, we can. Okay, it wants to upgrade. We can do this. And then, no, we want Dexy. No, Dexy by right. Indo VC token. Oh, I forgot that I wanted to turn this. Okay, no lag. So, phew. Oder. Now. Yeah, I want to add change.now. This was what I wanted to do. Because I think that let's do Oh, they do. Why is the frame count so low? Because I just resetted it. The overall count stays. Huh. I think because when I do this now... Oh no, wait. Yeah. Why does only the count get updated and not the frame? This is not good, I think. I also want, but on the other hand, if the count resets every time, that's also nice. If the frame resets, then we have an internal clock for how long a session lasts in frames. Yeah. Oh look, synputs. I don't know. Oh, it was coming from pi, which I already forgot what it was. Pi, like with an e, not the mathematical number. Well, I really have to. I wanted to do 12 hours, but I got a headache. I need to lay down for an hour. So yeah, I will continue.